Magandang buhay, ma'am. I'm Luigi S. Carlos, and this is my final requirements sa understanding the self. Topic 1, Prelim Timeline, Activity 1. They said as we grow older, I realized that things will never be the same as before. Life becomes complicated. When I was kid, all I want good toys and to play. But as time goes by, the things we used to do get forgotten because we're growing up. For example, the things you used to enjoy, like playing and always having someone to play with, now that we're older, we just prefer to be alone. Back then, we did not have problems, but now we feel restless because of the many challenges and responsibilities we have to face. What used to be simple playtime has turned into priorities and responsibilities. Now that we're older, we start to realize what really matters in life, pursuing our dreams and becoming the best version of ourselves. Topic 2, Philosophical and Psychological Perspective. Socrates believed that self-knowledge is the foundation of wisdom and virtue, and that true knowledge leads to moral integrity. But how can you build that foundation if you don't really know yourself? Do you actually know who you are? How do you even begin to truly know yourself? These are the questions that come to my mind whenever I hear the word self-knowledge. For me, truly knowing yourself means having self-awareness, self-respect, and most importantly, learning from your experiences. Experience teach us lessons. It brings us joy, heartbreak, and challenges that shape the way we think and who we become through experience. We grow, and through growth, we begin to understand who we truly are. Topic 3, Self-Assessment Test, Pre-Final Activity 1. What my what are my core values and how do they influence my actions? Respect, honesty, and value are my core values that shape how I live in my life. Together, these values create strong foundation for meaningful relationships, and personal growth. When we value of ourselves and others, we naturally show respect, and when we are honest, we strengthen both value and respect. These three support each other, leading to a life of authenticity, trust, and purpose. Topic 4, Spiritual aspect of self. Self-discovery often begins with self-inquiry, asking who am I? Really? This question nudges us to talk beyond the roles we play and dive into our deepest essence. We learn to sit in silence, observe our thoughts, and create space between our awareness and the noise of daily life. We begin to let go of old identities and attachment that no longer serve us. Each connection becomes a lesson, a chance to practice love, boundaries, forgiveness, and presence. Ultimately, this journey is not about becoming someone new, but remembering who we've always been beneath the noise, fear, and conditioning. It's return to soul, to stillness, to love. Topic 5, Final Reflection. As the second semester comes to an end, I can say that I've gone through a lot changes, not just in terms of knowledge, but also in attitude and how I perceive others. In everything we've studied, I've come to realize the value of the advice given by other people, especially from my parents and elders. These are lessons I did always apply to myself or even notice before. In this subject, understanding the self. I've seen not only my strength and weaknesses, but also the importance of teachings our parents give us so that we can grow properly and develop ourselves as individuals. For me, understanding the self is not just about learning to understand yourself, but also learning how to understand the people around you. Even though the subject is centered on the self, it's far from easy. It's filled with challenges and mistakes. You often make mistakes before and think impulsively, especially when you don't take time to reflect. But through those mistakes, we learn. Through this subject, I've also developed more self confidence and a clearer version of my goals and the kind of person I want to become. This has been a way for me to deepen my understanding of myself, a vital step toward continuous personal growth. I'm truly grateful for all the experiences that have been part of this journey. It wasn't always easy, but I'm sure it was meaningful and important to my development.